These here are my banana pepper plants. As you can see, maybe all the leaves just about haven't been eaten off these. The rest of them I put over there. I'm not sure what got into them, but they did it also to my Brad's at Atomic Grapes. I had one plant left, and I'll be daggone if they did not chew on part of it. These are my hillbilly tomatoes. They're beautiful, strong plants. I took up my potatoes. I have some more of these tomatoes, and then I have the little tomatoes left. And of course, we have our huge pumpkin plant with the baby pumpkins from the grandson, and maybe one for somebody else. They're the small ones. And of course, I have a lot more of the pepper plants that have the multicolors there, as you can see them right there. Some of my other plants here, and my beautiful tomato plants over there, doing great. I have a sweet potato plant, 2 of them here. Now they're growing everywhere. I gotta put them somewhere. These I just threw in here. They are cantaloupe seeds. I just did it to see if they would grow. This is one of my containers, self-watering containers. The water only comes up to that point right there, and then continues to water it. You can put more water in right there. I took these from all the extra tomato plants that I had, a lot of them, because nobody wanted them. So I put as many as I could in here. Then I'm gonna put them either on my back porch or in a greenhouse, the mini greenhouse that we have, that we're gonna have set up for the winter. I have another container already set up with dirt, and then of course I have the rest of them that I've made, and none of these have dirt in them. They're just prepared. They already have the wicking paper in them, and the pipes, these here, they already have all those cut for them, ready to go, and they will be going for this winter for fresh harvest during the winter. These 2 here, I believe, aren't gonna make it because it gets so hot here. Listen, here I am gonna plant possibly in this one, and maybe this one as well. It seems to be doing good, and the one over from it. This is a lonely little tomato plant. I might just throw it in with the rest of these. I did take a bunch of peppers that were a bunch of the banana peppers that I had on my plants, and then Kroger's had a bunch of Mexican peppers, and I have all 5 trays, I think it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays. They are drying currently. I turned it down for the night because I didn't want them to dry too much, and turned it back up, and I've been checking them periodically to see how they're doing. Wanted to show you, these were the last of my potatoes. Not much, but hey, it's more than I had, and it's from the free potatoes. So we have some fresh red potatoes and white potatoes, along with the ones that I'd had before. Sorry about the shadow there. The purple ones that I had. These peppers here are the ones that I have pulled recently. I'm going to use these for seeds. Honestly, the little round green one and the long green one, and I believe those 2 came from the same plant. The little purple one, I have no idea, because I used the wrong kind of tags, and there you go. that's what happens when you use paper tags on your plants. You don't know what you've planted. And I didn't write it all down like I should have. The orangish pink one on the right and the purple one came from the same plant. And then I wanted to show you, this is the Brad's Atomic Grape. It did not look like this yesterday. It's the only tomato that I had. You can see this, and it was whole yesterday. I moved the plant so I would actually have maybe more than one tomato. So I'm going to take what is left of this. I think you can see this. If I bring it up close, I'm going to open up and take all the seeds out of this, let them dry, so I'll have fresh seeds from my garden for the Brad's Atomic Grape tomatoes for next year. Or maybe for later on this winter, grow in the greenhouse or on my back porch with my grow lights. But I wanted to share all this with y'all. It's not a whole lot, but it's what I've been doing. And it's been what's been going on with me. As far as my garden life and growing and preserving. I may have more going later with the tomatoes, but I'll let you know how things go. And I just wanted to face y'all for a minute, and I will be doing some more of my weight loss videos after this one. I'm not proud of myself, I'm not happy, but it's life, and I will give you more information about it as soon as I finish this one and get it all together. But I wanted to share my garden life and what's been going on as far as the homesteading part, as far as the gardens and plants and everything that I've been growing. Thanks for watching. I know it's a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And I will talk to y'all soon. Bye now.